little dimple there, just a little one. But other than that, this is all smooth. For the lines, that's what I'm working for before I do any body work, any painting. It's looking good. I'll be back. Hi everyone. I'm now doing this side. And that's the gaps I'm hoping to have. That's what I've been doing now. I'll sand all that down. That side's already in primer. And the gaps look absolutely lovely. There. Yeah. Don't worry, this is not energy drink, this is, I'll fill it up with Coke. I've took all the paint off the bonnet. Now I just gotta go around treating some of these little bits. There's the end pieces I repaired. All the paint has now been taken off. There's no paint on it now. So that's what I've been doing. And I'll be back with you shortly. All nice and clean metal. Hi everyone, I am now working on this again. I've made a new lip and it's welded onto there. It lines up with this so that the arch can weld to this bit. I've cut all that out ready. I've just got to repair this section here before I can put the arch on. Just welding it all around here. So yeah, I'll be back with you shortly. That's all that repaired. Ready to take the outer arch. I've just got that little bit down here to do. And I'll be back with you when I've done some more. Perfect. There it is, all prepared. Brush treated. I'm going to put some paint on that as well. So all that's been cleaned up. Some of this will be getting cut out once I sit the thing on. Then I'll be scoring it round and cutting it round. And then the new piece will go down here. But obviously I've got to test the door shut first. But we'll permanently weld it in. Yeah, you can see the shape of the inner tub that I've rebuilt. I could have been clever and put some wider arches on it and have wider wheels on the back. But nah. There you go. Yep. More to come. Back with you shortly. There's no point in me doing this bit down here until I get to this bit. That's what I've done. section. There's the work. Put some fiberglass into the welds. There's the gap running down the door, which is perfect. I've got to do a little bit of work here. It's in. I've just got to do a bit of more work in there. Perfect. Lines up nicely. No point in me doing anything with this section yet until I start making this bit. Back soon. That's where I've got to go to. Put some black paint on it there to stop it rusting. And there's nearly done as well. The roof is all done. Show you the back. So it's a bit dark out here now. All I've got to do now is just go around all of this. Them doors shut properly. I'll just got to do the repair on the bottom of the door. That door shuts nice. Really coming along. Not much left to do, to be honest. I've only got little bits here and there. The front wings line up. Like I said, I've got to do all above the doors there in paint. The roof bars are back in. I've got a new airbox, the bit that goes at the bottom with the controls on it, in really good condition. What else? Oh, and someone's cutting me the middle section of the scuttle out because I want to replace mine. I'm not happy with it. I've built the ends, but the bit where the grill is, they're just all bent and rotten. I'm going to cut it back, that middle bit out, and splice in a new piece. So I'll show you that as well. The only thing I'm waiting on to do now is to get the bushes kit for my rear axle and the front bushes. I've got pretty much all the bits for the engine, so you'll be seeing videos on that. I think all I got now to get for the engine is the head gaskets. That's it, I think. I've even got my paint for it. So you'll be seeing videos on that shortly. I just want to get the front of the car ready to receive the engine. But there's not much more left to do on the front. The bonnet opens and shuts. So yeah, that's what I've been up to. I am going to try my best to get out more now. I really want to get on with this car now. Get a shift on, get a move on. Because I know the weather's going to be bad, but I've got loads to do in here as well. Finish like cleaning welds up and stuff that's on the sills and whatnot. So yeah, I hope you like the video, and I'll see you in the next one. The next one will be when I'm doing the driver's side, the passenger side, rear arch. So yeah, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.